In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into PayPal from a computer. If you need to access your PayPal account using a desktop or laptop, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do and what to look for on the screen. To begin, open the web browser on your computer. You can use any common browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is open, go to paypal.com. Make sure you are visiting the official PayPal website so you can sign in securely. It's always a good idea to check the web address carefully before entering any account information. When the PayPal homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see the login option there. Click on Login to move to the sign-in page. On the login screen, enter your account details in the appropriate fields. This usually includes the email address associated with your account and your password. Take your time and type everything carefully to avoid sign-in errors. If your browser offers to autofill your information, make sure the details shown are correct before continuing. After entering your login details, continue with the sign-in process to access your account. If your information is correct, you'll be taken into your PayPal dashboard, where you can manage payments, review activity, send money, or check your balance depending on your account type. If you have trouble logging in, one quick tip is to double-check for typing mistakes, especially in your email address or password. Also, make sure your keyboard settings, such as caps lock, are not causing any issues. If needed, PayPal also provides account recovery options on the login page in case you can't remember your sign-in information. And that's it. Logging into PayPal from a computer is a quick process. Go to paypal.com, click Login in the top right corner, and enter your account details. Once you're signed in, you're ready to use your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.